Now we have the drill machine. Pedestal. There's our transformer to get our 360 volts, control box, and drill stations. So now we'll turn the power on, test the e-stops. Put the drills on. Each of the drill heads has one control. It works. Just for two heads. So you may notice that there's no drills in these. The drills are here on the table. And one of the last things we want to do is perfectly align those drills when we get the extrusions in. You don't necessarily want to run them dry, but you'll notice that the drill heads here have two drill setups for them to cycle with that. I think it was a C hole that we did. That extra hole was added. For that particular hole, you just pull the drill bit out when you didn't want to run it. It runs in cycle in tandem with the drill right next to it. So there's two stations with two drills. There's one there, and the second one is over here. And then this particular individual station is always by itself. The setup for different lengths is done using this lead screw, and you just wind the lead screw to where you need to go. In the main setup bar, there's a series of dowel pin holes. We're showing the pins back. So you lock the pins in. There's two sets of pins. There's one that's just a locator, essentially, to get your accurate within a few thou dimension, and then there's some bolts to actually bolt it, clamp it into place along that rail. That's a 1-inch thick steel bar with the holes position plate mating into the tire assembly that slides along. And then to move the assembly, here a big crank going out, and you can do the same coming back. And we made the lead screw long enough so if you wanted to make longer pieces in the future, you'll be able to come back and put in some new holes for your location. There's a shot of the control panel. And then the pedestal. The top of the description has a 2 and a 4 setting for the different number of drill heads you want to go up and down, corresponding to how we see making your parts, internal and external holes.